Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Please take a seat.
Please. Asal deh. Alam state practice film bos. Linggaraj Panda.
Yes, sir.
2018 complete करण BTech. From Burla.
Yes, sir.
For the last 3 years, what you are doing?
I was preparing for GATE.
Mastry.
I was preparing for GATE and engineering service exam and OPSC.
That's from Cuttack district.
Yes, sir.
Gandhiadi. That comes under which Gram Panchayat Samiti?
Rohanga Gram Panchayat.
Our block code.
Niyadi.
Gary block.
Yes.
Okay. Suppose you are posted in your own block. So what you feel are the work that you are supposed to do?
So basically, I think main problem is the drainage problem here because in particular, sir, in our village, there is a huge problem when severe rain occurs. Then
Do you feel
rain.
that there is any scheme to the government for drainage in rural area? Not yet.
I don't.
Government has not built any or made any program for drainage, creating drain in the rural area.
I don't think, sir. In
Is there any government program for that? Government has not right now have any program for drainage in the rural area. They have program for drinking water, they have program for housing, they have program for road, constructing constructing pond for agricultural activity. Okay, but no program for
drainage.
drain. But the drain in the urban area, not in the rural area. What led to this drainage problem in your area? Low-lying area.
Low-lying area, yes, sir.
Which is the low-lying area.
Yes.
How what do you feel?
There is not adequate supply of water to the farming fields. So
That what
farmers-
can be done? What do you feel is the requirement?
with,
Digging a canal or any alternative source of irrigation?
canal is there, but the water management is not up to the mark.
Water management is due to the Pani Panchayat right now. In Odisha, there is a participatory water management system for Pani Panchayat.
Yes, sir.
It must be in your village also.
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
No idea.
I know about Pani
You
Panchayat.
have canal system.
Yes, sir.
Then what's the issue there? They are not getting irrigation water.
But most of the time it remains dry.
There is a program by the government of India, more crop, per drop, more crop. Do you know what is that? Per drop, more crop.
Sorry, sir.
Pradhan Krishi Sinchai Yojana.
No, sir. I don't
No
know.
idea. You know Kaliya Yojana?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
By Kaliya Yojana, the government is giving 5,000 rupees to each farming family for each crop year.
10,000, I think.
5,000 for cropping season.
Cropping.
Or around 10,000.
So per annum 10,000, so it will give for total 5 years,
5 cropping seasons.
5 cropping seasons, 25,000.
Initially 5 cropping seasons, right now we extended.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what they will use this money? How they will use this money for what?
So by this money they will buy the crops,
Crops.
crop seeds or the
Inputs.
required
Agricultural
inputs are required farming technology and
There is a similar program by Government of India.
is that developed in Narendra Modi?
Like, yes, one is Kaliya. It is similar program by Government of India, PM Kishan.
PM Kisan, yes, sir.
Can you tell the full form of Kaliya?
Sorry, sir, I have read it, but
Okay,
right
when you
now
join the
I
block,
don't know.
when you suppose you join the blocks are right now 5T.
Yes, sir.
What this 5T stands for?
5T stands for technology, 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 time, transparency,
teamwork,
leading to
Transparency.
transformation.
Okay. And there is also Mo Sarkar. They are under the Mo Sarkar.
Yes, sir.
What is that?
The Mo Sarkar is the scheme launched by Honorable Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik. So it is basically a governance program to develop the governance plan based on the feedback for behavior or professionalism. So by Mo Sarkar program, in every government offices there will be a feedback will be collected based on every member coming to the office. So their phone number will be collected and SMS will be sent to their respective numbers and feedback will be collected. So based on this feedback, the officers will be ranked and their promotions will be made.
Kid watching serials, reading mythological stories. कौन mythological story पढ़ी छो?
So Ramayana.
पढ़ी छो?
Sir, watch things in YouTube.
रामायण में कौन पढ़ता? रामायण में कौन पढ़ता? सब मुख्य कैरेक्टर में को.
Lord Sri Ram, Lakshman.
तापर
भरत, शत्रुघ्न, फादर दशरथ.
सुग्रीव जो राजत्व करते से राजा ना कौन आई एम हार्ड अबाउट सुग्रीव
Yes, sir.
को राजा ना से तो को राजा राजत्व करते
Sir, I think Kiskindha.
मेन कैरेक्टर आपण जीवन
Yes, Ravana also.
रावण is a negative character, positive character.
So basically, due to his one mistake, he is generally described as a negative character, but still he is very knowledgeable.
That is the way of salvation. That mistake he committed knowingly for his salvation.
Yes, sir.
When he know very well that in case he went to do the puja in that Ramojo Bandhavan who went to do the puja there knows very well that he will come, he knew that he will come to my kingdom. So still he came.
शिव तांडव स्तोत्र के
Sorry, sir. Ravana.
Sir, please. Congrats.
Okay, so what are the different types of crop you know? Broadly classified crop.
Types of crops.
Broadly classified.
Crop
Food
season.
Sorry, sir. I thought.
Crop season, na crop.
Rabi.
Crop season.
Sorry, sir. I thought about crop season.
Crop season.
Normal
Tell
crop.
crop season.
Rabi crop.
Hey,
Kharif.
you cannot tell Rabi first. First you tell Kharif. Then you can go for Rabi because Kharif gives us staple food grain. Rabi add to the pulses and oil seeds. But Kharif is the main crop. Fine. You cannot say Rabi first, then Kharif.
Sorry, sir. Kharif crop, Rabi crop, Jade crop.
What is a Jade crop?
Jade crop is generally harvested during summer time.
No, right now there are two Jades. Rabi Jade and Kharif Jade.
Watermelon or cucumber.
Vegetables, flowers, etc.
What is the time of Kharif crop?
Kharif crops are basically from April to September.
What is wilting point of a plant?
Wilting point is the when sufficient water content is not available for the crop to for sustaining its life.
What is base period?
Base period is the time interval between sowing to harvesting.
Flood irrigation, where we can do the flood irrigation, on which type of crop or
Flood irrigation.
flood irrigation?
Sorry, sir, I'm unable to recall.
What are the different types of building construction normally you encounter? Like, what are the different methods of constructing a reinforced RCC building?
I think you're asking about method, working stress method, living stress.
Yes, working stress method,
Working stress method, limit stress.
So nowadays, on which method we are constructing?
Nowadays we are using limit state method.
Limit method is encountering to which type of construction? That is stress, strain, what type of?
It's a strain governing method.
Yes, strain. And
Working stress method basically stress governing method.
why we go for the strain governing method? What is advantage?
So because if you see stress is proportional to strain. Stress depends on strain is a independent criteria, but stress depends on strain. And in limit state, we not only take into the criteria the ultimate load of the structure, but we also take into the criteria limit state of serviceability and durability. So hence we use limit state.
In a stress strain curve, which one is in x-axis and which one is in y-axis?
The strain is in x-axis and the stress is in y-axis.
So, last question, what do you mean by yielding point?
Yielding point is the point which
Yielding point and breaking point.
Yielding point is the point after which the material fails in material loss its ductility behavior, and at breaking point the material substantially fails, losing its strength.
What is the percentage you have kept in standard 10?
Sir, 91%.
91.
Yes.
And plus 2?
81%.
81%. What is your favorite subject in engineering?
Soil mechanics.
Soil mechanics. What is void ratio?
Void ratio is the ratio of volume of void to volume of solid. Sir.
Volume of?
Solid.
What is SBC?
SBC signifies safe bearing capacity of soil.
How do find out the SBC?
Sir, we can find out SBC by numerical methods such as Rankine method.
Rankine's
Generally
formula.
we use Rankine's formula, sir.
So do you know about CBR?
CBR, California bearing ratio.
Where it is used?
It is used to determine the thickness requirement in case of subgrade layer.
Not subgrade, but for the pavement thickness.
Sir,
Huh?
sir, yes.
What is bulk density?
Bulk density is ratio of mass to volume. Sir.
How CBR is found out in the field as well as in the laboratory? Have you done CBR test?
Sir, in college time I have done it in laboratory. I have no idea about field. So I knew the formula, sir.
What is the procedure? Tell us. What is the procedure of finding CBR in laboratory?
Sorry, sir, I can't recall, but I know the formula only.
Which formula?
So we'll calculate the load at 2.5 mm depth of penetration and then depth load at 5 mm penetration. So basically, then we calculate the ratio, means the standard load at 2.5 mm and the standard depth at 2.5 mm. So standard load at 2.5 mm, which is 70 kg, and in 5 mm standard load is around 105 kg.
So which one is greater?
Generally at 2.5 mm is greater. If 2.5 mm is less, then we again repeat the procedure, and after that we take the average value.
Average value of what?
Average value of load at 2.5 mm and load at 5 mm.
Okay.
Sir, near road कौन सी पानी कौन सी?
No, I have no idea.
Near road कौन सी? What are the internal?
Okay.
Sir, may I ask the performance?
You can ask.
ଟିକେ ଟିକେ ତମକୁ ये सब्जेक्ट नॉलेज हमरो ଭଲ ଅଛି ତମେ ଭଲ आंसर କରୁଛ बाकी जोटा तुम कहलो जो 2.5 टा एक्चुअली सेटा 2.5 जनरली ग्रेटर आसे
Like-
but in case जदि 5 ग्रेटर आसी गला ताले you go for the another test again जदि 5 ग्रेटर आसला ताले you reported the test of 5
Sorry,
not the
actually
average of 2.5 ଆଉ ଟିକେ ତମ ପୋସ୍ଚର ତମ ଟିକେ ସିଧା ବସିବ ହଁ ତମେ ପୁରା ଇଏ ଯାକ ଠିକ
Sir.
ଜାକି ଜୁକାଇ ବସ
ଜାକି ଜୁକାଇ
ଫ୍ରି ହେଇକି
ବସ।
ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ହେଇକି ବସ ହେଲା
ତମେ ଟିକେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ପଛକୁ ଯାଇକି ପଛେ ତମେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ପଛକୁ ଯାଇପାରିବ ପଛକୁ ଯାଇକି ଟିକେ ହଁ ଇଏ ନେଇକି ବସି ପାରିବ ସୋ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ଓଭରଅଲ୍ ତମ ସବୁ ଭଲ ଥିଲା।
Thank you. Sir, I want to ask last time in the OPSC interview they asked about water dispute. And then they asked in Odisha there is water dispute occurring between two districts. So I didn't know the answer. So may I
डिस्ट्रिक्ट ଭିତରେ
water dispute? Sir, I could not find it on internet.
ମେ ବି ସେ ପଚାରୁଥିବେ ଯେ ଛତିଶଗଡ଼ ଓଡ଼ିଶା
No, no,
ଭିତରେ
sir ସେ ବିଷୟରେ କହିଥିଲି ବାକି ତାପରେ କହିଲେ ଯେ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର କୋଉ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଭିତରେ ଅଛି ତ ସେଟା
Thank you.
Thank you sir.